welcome back to my channel. I'm always very excited, but today I am especially excited because I'm going to talk to you guys about one of my favorite things to do, which is doing my nails. When I switched to clean beauty, I had to give up doing my nails just because nail polishes were so toxic, and especially using gel, which is what I like to use because it will last forever and it wouldn't chip and it would stay shiny and all of that. But after reading so much about it and all the chemicals that are involved and then the UV light that you had to use, I basically gave it up. Fast forward a few years later, I tried clean nail polishes, and to be honest, they didn't captivate me as much. I didn't like that they still chipped really easily and they wouldn't last as long and they wouldn't look as good, to be honest. So I basically gave up. That is until I found Dazzle Dry. I almost want to cry. I found Dazzle Dry almost a year ago, I should say. And ever since then, my life has been so much better just because I can do my nails again, and I feel, I don't know, it is something that I just love to do and it makes me feel put together. And I mean, it really did change my life. I thought I had to give up doing my nails, but not anymore. Dazzle Dry was created by a legit scientist that figured out a way to use ingredients that weren't harmful for your health, and she came up with this amazing system that you use to achieve a gel-like manicure without any toxins getting into your body. That basically just like blew me away. I think I saw an ad on Instagram maybe, and then when I saw it I was skeptical because I had tried those other clean nail polishes at first and they didn't work. So it piqued my interest enough, so I ordered a mini kit, and after that I was just like, oh my god, this needs to be in my life. Like, this is just what I was looking for, what I've been just dreaming of. Yeah, so now I have shared my love with so many people, friends, family members. My mom already has one. My mother-in-law is getting hers on her way, and so many friends have already got addicted to it as well, thanks to me, because literally I think I even share enough on Instagram to get you guys tired of it. But I'm telling you, I am so mesmerized, and I just realized that my lipstick, my dress, and my nails kind of match. The Dazzle Dry system consists of 4 different steps. First one is the nail prep. So it's basically like a little liquid, and I'm going to show you that you apply to get your nails ready, smooth them out, clean them out of like oils and creams and all of that. Then you go to step 2, which is the base coat. It's just like a clear nail polish that you apply, and you need 2 coats of that. Step 3 is actually the nail polish, so that's the color that you picked. Step 4 is the top coat, and for that you only need 1 coat, and that's it. It might sound like it's like a lot of things that you have to do, but honestly guys, I just did it. It took me maybe half an hour, and that's with me like filming the whole thing. And I find it super convenient, and I think especially now because salons are closed and you just don't know what to do with yourself, you're spending most of your time at home, I feel like this is something that's very convenient. But in the case that Corona disappears and we start opening everything up again, there's several spas that carry Dazzle Dry. So if you still like to get pampered and just sit there and do nothing, you can still go to a spa when they open, and you can find them on the Dazzle Dry website, so I'll make sure to link it up down here. I think Dazzle Dry has something for everyone, and the colors are just amazing. They have, I think, every color you can think of. They have nudes, they have bright colors, they have nail polishes with glitter. It's just, I'm telling you, it's amazing. So I think I have talked enough. Let's go and let me show you how to get this super fabulous look. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get you hooked. If I had any nail polish on my nails, I would of course first use the Remove. This is the acetone that I like to use. It works perfectly for that nail polish, but my nails look pretty bad and I just couldn't take it anymore. I had to do it before the video, but let's move on to the first of the 4 steps to get these awesome nails. First thing we're going to do is use the nail prep, which works basically like acetone. So you would just like do a few pumps and apply it to your nails to just like get rid of oils and stuff like that, and get your nails ready, moisturized and nice. Easy peasy. Okay, now for step 2, we're going to use our base coat. If the base coat is cloudy like this one, as you can see, all that you have to do is dip the bottle in warm water and wait for a few minutes until it clears out, and then it's ready for use. The base coat should be clear as water, so this is something super easy to do. And we're going to apply 2 coats of this. And since it dries out pretty quickly, we will be done in no time. I'm actually shooting this video the day that I should be like editing and finishing up, but I like to live life on the edge, you know? I think I work better under pressure. Okay, it's now dry. It's been maybe like a minute or 2. I'm going to apply the second coat. Perfect. We are done with the base coat. Now we wait for it to dry and we'll move on. Okay, I'm going to go for the next step, which is the nail polish. This one is Dream Come True. Can you see it? Dream Come True, and it's like a nice muted pinky tone. And I'm going to do probably 3 or 4 coats just because I like to get like that thicker nail look. And I have found that that's the best way to get it, just to do a couple more coats of the nail polish. So let's get to it. I find it is much easier to do your nails leaning on a hard surface. It doesn't work if I'm doing it like on the couch and just over my leg. I get the best cleaner look if I do it on a table, especially when doing my right hand, because I am definitely not left-handed and it is definitely a challenge. Okay, so here it is with 1 coat. As you can see, it is a little bit sheer, so working on 3 to 4 layers is gonna be perfect to get that super solid color that I'm looking for. Okay, it's not even been 5 minutes and they are already dry, so I'm gonna do the second coat and third and fourth. You guys, they are dry. I'm gonna do the fourth and last coat, but as you can see, they already look really good, but I just want to do the fourth one just to show you. And you guys, I am not taking that long to do this. Can you imagine doing this just with like regular nail polish? I don't think that would ever happen. Okay, you guys, it's been 5 minutes. They're completely dry. Now we are going to apply the top coat here. So we're going to do this one, and we need one coat of this only, and that is it. I will be done and I can move on with my day and continue editing this video that I was supposed to be editing last week. Okay, now they are nice and shiny, and also what I like about the top coat, it seems like it smooths out. So if you feel like there's like some ridges still showing or something, I feel like the top coat really helps just diminishing that and smoothing out the nail. And they are now completely dry. We took probably like 30 minutes at the most. Yeah, as you can tell, it was pretty quick. Other product that comes with the nail system kit is this one, which is Revive, and it's used to elongate the life of your nail polishes and your top coat. And I happen to have this one here, which is my favorite color, or non-color I should say, but this one is already getting super thick. Let me show you. It's getting super thick and it's getting hard to apply, so I am going to apply a few drops of this one and bring it back to life. So you're supposed to use 2 to 4 drops at a time, and then you put back in the cap and mix it real well. I see here that I'm still getting a little bit of that thickness, so I'm gonna add 4 more drops and keep on mixing until I get the consistency that I'm looking for. Okay, now let's check. That's perfect. Yes. So this is how you use your Revive. Okay, you guys, that's it. I hope you liked the video. I hope you liked the little step-by-step that I did over there. As always, I have prepared a blog post talking more about it and more about like the system and other products that they sell. And yeah, as you can see, like my nails look super shiny and cute. Okay, you guys, I hope you liked it. Please like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz. I would love it. I love your support, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.